Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Convertible powered by LS6 454. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you. But we're going to take a look at this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Wow, what a car this is right here. Colored in Fathom blue with white stripe. Absolutely gorgeous car. Power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning, all on this car right here. Absolutely gorgeous. What a dash this car's got in it. We're going to take a look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got a power top on it. New style AM, FM radio. Just really wood grain steering wheel. It's got the boot cover for the top. Interior's in excellent shape. Really just clean as can be. Frame off restoration, rotisserie restored. I'm going to grab the key here. We can take a look inside the trunk. Shut the door. Door shut easy. Take a look inside the trunk here. All inside the trunk's finished beautifully with a splatter paint. It's got the correct matching spare tire, jack equipment. All underneath the mats in great shape. Really looks good. Nice and clean. Trunk stickers. All right, he's going to start here. Let me shut the trunk lid. He's going to start it up and we'll see how it sounds. Sounds good. Underneath the hood. We'll take a look at the driver's side. I'm going to cut it off here. Take a look at it. It's got tilt wheel. It's got the tack in the dash. Really nice and clean there. All of that looks great. All the doors look good. It's got all the right stickers on the doors. Really looks good. I'm going to shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, it's powered by a 454 LS6. It is not a numbers matching car, but it does have power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning. It's, like I said, the right color, Fathom blue with white 4L60 transmission. And it's got that overdrive in it. That's what the little box there is for. That 4. We're going to shut the hood here. And take one more quick look at the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Convertible powered by an LS6 454. If you have questions on this, you can give us a call. 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Convertible powered by an LS6 454 for a test drive and see how it does. We're going to get this cowl induction hood working here and see what this 70 Chevelle is made of.
Want to give a shout out to everybody down in North Carolina and the other states that's had a lot of problems. We're just praying for you. You're on our hearts and minds. We just want to let you know on our video here.
All right, here we go. nothing better than a convertible with the top down. Especially a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible. This car runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. It's awesome with overdrive, really makes a difference when you're driving it. And we're gonna turn around here and head back. And like I do every time, I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this Chevelle is made of. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's sweet. All right, we are almost back. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. All right, we're gonna, if you have any questions, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're gonna show you what it looks like underneath. Here's the underneath.